So right now, I'm alchemizing a blend called my Portal Cleanse. I just did a free consultation with one of my clients and we got to the root cause. So now it's time to get to the true healing. So in this blend, the major herbs is blue cohosh, Don-Q, raspberry, and parsley leaf. Now Don-Q and blue cohosh is very astringent at flushing the portal out, getting trap shedding out, reversing the pH levels, getting rid of small cysts, large cysts, with your fibroids. Now, if you dealing with any uterus issues via from high soy intake, alien intervention, or bending your gender causing a hormonal change, either way, this portal cleanse will bring you back to optimal health in your sacral chakra. So I also added motherwort because this person said they dealing with heavy anxiety and stress, and motherwort herb nurtures the body and brings calmness to it and relaxes it and get rid of that stress. So sometimes you gotta improvise to meet the standards of what your clients actually need.